Welcome to Tiny Takes with Learning Technology.
In this video, we're going to look at the TEKSbank questions that are now available to you in Canvas and how you can use them to create exit tickets for your students. I'm logged in as a student right now in my course, and under Module 1, I have created this exit ticket. The student would just click on the ticket and start the assessment. What you'll see is that the student will interact with some questions that I didn't have to manually add or create. These are from the TEKSbank assessment, which is the same pool of questions that is used in AWARE. So you can see students can click on this now and interact and give me their responses. And when they click finish, they submit it to me and get some immediate feedback about how they did. Once students have completed the assessment, as a teacher, I can log in and click on the exit ticket from my module where I have it assigned, and I can load it in a new window, and you will see how your students performed. So let's take a look at how you can quickly create such assessments yourself. To do this, you would go to the button in your global navigation called TEKSbank Classroom. This will pull up a screen where you can click on and create new activities. I'll go ahead and click New Activity and give this a name. I can provide a description and give some information about how I'm going to use this data. I'm going to use it as a formative check-in. So maybe I've taught a little intervention lesson and I want my students to just take a quick 2-question formative checkpoint. I'm going to select my subject and my grade level. And you can get an idea of how many questions are in the system that go along with your grade level. You can choose your language. Looks like there's 730 English grade 3 science questions. And then I can narrow it down by standard as well. Perhaps my little lesson was on magnetism. There are 59 questions. I'm going to select that objective. And it's now added here. I want to look at all 33 of these questions, and then you can tell what kinds of questions are available as well, so you can narrow that down. You could add additional standards as well. I'm going to click Next and Preview, and you can see now that they're listed here. I can click on them. I can check the answer choices by hitting this Reveal Key button. I can actually rearrange them so that the depth of knowledge questions 2 are above the depth of knowledge question 3. This way my assessment gets harder as we go, or by whatever means you want to organize it. Once you have it looking like you want, you can click Next and Confirm. I'm going to ask you about your grade level, and this is for all of my students, so it's going to be on grade level. I'll create the activity. Now I'll need to add it to my course. For my last step, I'm going to put this little quiz that I made into a module for students so they can quickly get to them. I'm going to go to my unit on Unit 2, I guess, and I'll go ahead and click plus. And this is going to be an assignment. I'm going to create the assignment, brand new here. This is going to be my exit ticket 315, and I'll create that item. You'll see it goes to the bottom of the module. I can click on it now and quickly add those questions to it by clicking Edit. Going to make sure that this is a scoreable assignment in SpeedGrader by adding my points. And under submission type, this is going to be an external tool, which is the TEKSbank tool. I'll click on Find. I'll click on TEKSbank. And it should pull up all of the assessments that I created. So here's that 315 assessment. I will select that activity, click Select, and you see the link to the activity right here. I can do whatever I want with the rest of my settings on this page or leave them blank, and then I'll click Save and Publish. And students will be able to now go to that module and take that quick exit ticket. And remember, they see their responses almost instantly, and you will too.
Thank you for watching Tiny Takes with Learning Technology.